Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I want to show you a neat idea. So you may have noticed in some of our projects, like the character builder and some of the other ones, that there are some buttons that you can press and it'll change some different sprites or make it do something different. For example, when you go into the character builder, underneath the review, there is a discussion on how to code your buttons, and so I kind of walk you through some different steps for that. So you can check out that if you're interested in it. But I want to show you a neat idea. Now, this neat idea is by Thorin6313, and the project is called Music Reading Practice Test. So you can press the green flag. You can choose a clef. So I'm going to say, let's go with the treble clef. And then you're going to have to guess which one of the notes this is. Now, I happen to have a background in music, so I know that this is the note D. So when I click on it, it now says that I've got 1 out of 1. I'm 100% correct. I know that this is the note A. I'm going to click on this. Cool. So then it just keeps switching to the different notes. And as long as you get it correct, then it's going to say 5 out of 5 and 100% correct, or whatever number you're on. Now, if I get it wrong, so like this is the note B, but if I say it's C, then it's going to say, oh, you've only got 86% of them correct, so you got 6 out of 7. And it'll keep telling you get it wrong until you finally find the correct one, which is B, and then it'll raise your score. So that is a pretty neat idea of something that you can do to use buttons to actually make a game, or to make it so that you can practice doing something like reading music. Now, if you want to check out this project, make sure you check out the description below, which has links to the original project, as well as links to some other resources that I've created that'll help you learn how to create something similar. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.